Thank you for watching Deeper Than Red. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. In the early 1800s, ice cream was an exotic treat. Only the wealthy could afford it. Augustus Jackson changed all that. He is often called the father of ice cream. This is his story. In 1817, Augustus began working in the White House. He was just 9 years old. Augustus worked as a White House chef for 20 years. He cooked for Presidents James Monroe, John Quincy Adams, and Andrew Jackson. In 1837, he moved to Philadelphia to start his own catering and confectionery business. Little did Augustus know at the time that he would make his fortune inventing a new way to make ice cream. Ice cream originates from Persia and has been around since the 4th century BCE. The early ice cream recipes used eggs, but Augustus came up with a way to make ice cream without eggs. He found that if he added salt to the ice, it would make his ice cream flavors taste better. The salt also lowered the temperature of the ice cream, which allowed it to be kept colder for a longer time. This innovative technique made it cheaper to make ice cream. Augustus sold his ice cream to black-owned ice cream parlors all over Philadelphia. He created many ice cream flavors. He packaged them in metal tins and sold them for $1 each. People loved Augustus's ice cream. He sold so much ice cream that he became one of the wealthiest people in Philadelphia. Augustus never patented or protected his way of making ice cream. Instead, he shared his techniques with black ice cream makers in the city, and his recipes quickly spread. Before his invention, only wealthy people could afford to buy ice cream. His technique is still used to this day. So the next time you eat a cold, creamy bowl of ice cream, enjoy it in honor of Augustus Jackson, the father of ice cream. Thanks for watching Deeper Than Red. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.